Imagine being 17, your whole life ahead of you, and then in the blink of an eye, it's all taken away. This isn't the plot of a Hollywood thriller. This is the real-life story of Jarrett Adams, a tale of injustice, resilience, and an unwavering fight for freedom. September 1998. A night that should have been forgettable became unforgettable for all the wrong reasons. Jarrett Adams, a Chicago teenager, was accused of a crime he didn't commit. The charge? Sexual assault. The evidence? Shaky at best. The outcome? A nightmare that would last nearly a decade. In a trial that lasted less than a week, with a defense that presented no witnesses, Jarrett was convicted and sentenced to 28 years in prison. He was just 17 years old. But this is where our story takes an unexpected turn. Behind those unforgiving prison walls, a fire was ignited in Jarrett's soul. Did you know? Studies estimate that between 2 to 10% of convicted individuals in U.S. prisons may be innocent. That's potentially thousands of Jarrett Adamses behind bars right now. Jarrett's relentless self-education caught the attention of the Wisconsin Innocence Project. They saw what the justice system had missed. A young man wronged by the very system meant to protect him. Breakthrough? A witness that Jarrett's original defense had inexplicably failed to call. This witness could corroborate Jarrett's alibi, potentially changing everything. After a grueling legal battle in 2007, nearly a decade after his wrongful conviction, Jarrett Adams walked out of prison, a free man. Freedom was just the beginning. Most people would have walked away, tried to forget. Not Jarrett. He decided to dedicate his life to fighting the system that had failed him. Against all odds, Jarrett earned his law degree from Loyola University's Chicago School of Law in 2015. The same system that had once condemned him now welcomed him as one of its own. Today, Jarrett Adams is more than just a practicing attorney. He's a warrior for justice, focusing on criminal defense and civil rights cases. Since his exoneration, Jarrett has helped exonerate other wrongfully convicted individuals, argued before the same court that once upheld his conviction, spoken to thousands about the need for criminal justice reform. But Jarrett's fight goes beyond individual cases. He's shining a light on systemic issues. Racial disparities in arrests and sentencing, inadequate public defense systems, the need for accountability in prosecutorial misconduct. In 2021, Jarrett shared his gripping story in his memoir, Redeeming Justice, From Defendant to Defender, My Fight for Equity on Both Sides of a Broken System. Jarrett Adams's journey is more than just a personal triumph. It's a wake-up call, challenge to all of us to look closer at a system that can rob an innocent teenager of a decade of his life.